Welcome to Storm News.
Welcome to Summit's weekly preview, brought to you every Monday by Mr. Bedsworth.
Nice. Keep going.
Third period Video Arts 1 class.
This is what happening around Summit.
The Sadie Hawkins dance will be on January 25th.
Okay, you.
What's fun in the library?
Wait.
Everything.
Yes. Okay, you in the back.
Drop by the library to see what the new contest is.
Okay.
Clubs.
Nice.
Monday after school buddies lunch.
Tuesday, French Club at lunch in A106 every second and fourth Tuesday.
Wednesdays, GSA at lunch in C104. Rubik's Cube Club at lunch in A211.
Thursdays, Theater Club at lunch in D127. Poetry Out Loud group at lunch in C107. Girls Who Code Club at lunch in A207.
Fridays, film club at lunch in B2015. Uncommon club lunch B131.
Yay.
Bye.
Have a great day.